Man, when I saw this topic on the syllabus, I was like, seriously? Like, this is such a weird thing to teach in organic too. It's just so, like, out of nowhere. I didn't even cover it in college. Like, I learned this in, like, middle school, grade school, like, physical education. So, let's talk about a class of compounds called steroids. So, steroids all share a common base unit. Oops. So we are going to have 3 6-membered rings, 3 fused cyclohexane rings, and then 1 cyclopentane ring. So all steroids have this basic backbone. What happens is that we change the functionalities of the different carbons, and hopefully I remember to put up the 2 images on the screen. First showing you that these are actually numbered carbons, and based on what substituted the different numbers, we get the different steroids. Now, the most common steroid in your body is actually cholesterol, and this is actually kind of a fun fact people don't really know, at least the general public doesn't know. Cholesterol is not fat. Cholesterol is actually a steroid naturally produced by your body. Specifically, it's manufactured in the liver. And there's 2 types, the low-density lipoproteins and the high-density lipoproteins. So the LDLs are what leave your liver, and the HDLs are what return the liver. So when people talk about how, say, they have good ratios, if you have high HDL, these are the high-density lipoproteins that actually bring the cholesterol back to the liver for reprocessing. So having a large amount of HDL relative to LDL is a good thing. Now, that said, your body does produce a lot of cholesterol. Why does it do it? Well, the reason is that cholesterol is actually a base ingredient in a lot of the other steroids and compounds that are produced naturally by your body. So our bodies produce cholesterol for a lot of reasons. One is actually cell rigidity. So cholesterol will actually embed itself into cell walls, and so basically it's kind of that trade-off. As the cell gets warmer, the cholesterol makes the cell kind of like, what's a good way to put it? Cholesterol is just kind of there to make sure that the cell walls are the correct degree of stiffness. So whatever you'd expect to happen when you heat or decrease the temperature of your body, cholesterol is there to compensate for it. So again, steroids, just this general class compound. Steroids, hopefully I had the common sense to put it up and speak to what they are. That's the most common one produced by your body. Oddly, the thing you need to know for this course is the difference between HDL and LDL. HDL, high-density lipoproteins, return cholesterol back to the liver. LDL, low-density lipoproteins, take it away from the liver.